Lake Tagimoucia is a mystical lake on the island of Taveuni. Legend has it was formed by the tears of a princess who had a forbidden love. Her tears filled a volcanic crater to create the lake. When you come up, you find it mainly shrouded in mist because we're about 850 odd metres above sea level. It's tipping it down with rain. Now we're going to go and see if we can find the Tagimoucia flower, which thrives around the lake's border somewhere between the months of September and December. It's only found on the island of Taveuni. They've tried to cultivate it and put it into other islands on other mountain ranges, but it just won't take. Nowhere else in the world. Critically endangered, almost extinct. Let's go and see if we can find the flower. Here she is. Tagimoucia. A unique flower, the national flower and emblem of Fiji. Only on this island, at this altitude, at this latitude in the world, at this climate, that this flower exists. Nowhere else. Critically endangered.